To check the battery health on your iPad, you can go to Settings, Battery, and if you have one of these iPad models, you'll see your battery health on the very top. Here's the problem though. I have the 9th generation iPad and mine does not show battery health here. The best workaround for this is to plug your iPad to a computer and use an app like coconutBattery, which will show you a lot of data of your battery's current health. Design capacity shows the charge your iPad could hold when it was new, and full charge capacity shows what it can hold now. The closer these are to each other, the healthier your battery is. If you want to calculate your battery health percentage like it's sometimes measured, take the full charge capacity and divide it by the design capacity. coconutBattery is free and only works on a Mac, but if you're on Windows, you can use an app like iMazing, which shows a lot of the same stuff and even more. They have a paid version to unlock more features, but the free trial is enough to check your battery health. Now, technically, there is a way to check the battery health using your iPad alone, but it requires having your usage analytics enabled. And then once your iPad generates the analytics reports, you need to dig into the code, and supposedly, somewhere here there is a battery health number hidden somewhere. That's a horrible way to check it, so I wouldn't recommend that to anyone. So there you have it. I'll add links to coconutBattery and iMazing in the video description if you want to check those out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and subscribe for more easy and quick tutorials like this.